Hello, I'm Siki from AE Electrical. Today I'm here to show you how to install our solar geysers. Before installation, we do pre-installation preparation. First, we must do site assessment. So for installation, we have to choose the right direction. Please make sure the geyser will get at least 6 hours direct sunlight. Avoid obstruction such as big trees and big buildings. For installation, please confirm that the roof is strong enough to carry 200 kgs. Installation space. Make sure you reserve at least half a meter space for maintenance, materials and tools preparation. Okay, this is tube tray. This is bracket. This is short leg. This is long leg. This is side supporter. This is bracer. This is our 200-liter tank. So for 200-liter solar geyser, we must have 20 by vacuum tubes. This is cups and dust ring for the tubes. So first, we start to install our solar geyser frame. Here is our screws. So first, we have to take one long leg for left side and one bracket and connect together. We go for the right one. Then we go for short legs. Please make sure the holes are the same side. We go for left side. Then we are going to start brace our solar geyser. To make it strong. So we already connect the side supporter from the long leg to the bracer. Now we are going to join the side supporter from the long leg to short leg. Now we are going to join the tube tray. So please make sure the tube tray, each side have 2 holes. So you must put 2 screws. Now we are going to put tank bracer for tank side and cross. This is cross. First you must put 1 screw in the middle. Then we are joining the tank bracer and cross to the brackets. So here the cross one and the bracer, you must put it together. This side you must put together outside, but this side one, the cross, it must be inside, the bracer outside. Then you put your screws. This side your cross must be outside. This side your cross must be inside to make our frame very strong. Now here is the installation for the frame, solar geyser frame. You must make sure you have your spanner, 14 or 13 spanner, to tighten your screw. Please make sure the screws are tightened. If you finish to tighten your nut, you must make sure that the frame is very strong to carry 200 liter. After you finish the installation of frame, we are going to put the tank. Before you carry your tank, you must make sure that you remove the nuts. Then you carry your tank. Please make sure the bolts are going to sit inside the brackets. After that, we are going to take the nut. After that, then we are going to put the tube caps. This is our tube caps. After that, we are going to put the rubber seal dust ring for the tubes. So now we want to install our vacuum tube to our 200-liter solar geyser. Before you put your tubes, you must have sunlight liquid so that your tubes must easily go inside the tank. So you must put your soap here and your rubber, your dust ring. So you must make sure you line up your tank. Your tank wall and the tube must share half, on top half, down half, so that you line up your tank. After you put one tube, you must tighten the screws down. There's screws down here. You must tighten the nuts to line up your tank. You must tighten the nut both sides. After that, then you continue with your tube installation. Installing your tubes, please make sure not to damage the vacuum tube, because our vacuum tube is easily broken. So we must make sure we are not going to harm them. And also, when you are putting the vacuum tube inside the tank, there's rubber inside. There's rubber seal inside. So you must make sure the rubber is not going to move. Now we are done the tube installation. So please, if you done the tube installation, make sure the cold water is ready, so that your tube must not stay long without water. Here is our assistant tank. We have to remove the black cap here, then put nuts, then screw our assistant tank. So this one, you must remove the red cap, then put the breather. You must put the breather here. Your cold water, you are going to connect it here. Then our hot water here, you must remove the black cap and join our hot water. This one, you must remove the black cap and put the bleeder. After everything, you must make sure your tube are clean, so that the sun will hit direct tubes. So you must clean the vacuum tubes. For installation, we have to find a professional installer to avoid solar geyser damage or the house damage. Thank you for buying AE Solar Geyser.